Today I am going to share my personal story with you all. I used to be the kind of person who made plans and broke them the next day. I promised myself I'd wake up early, study hard, go to the gym, and build something meaningful. But guess what? I kept quitting. Until one simple shift changed everything. And that's what I want to share with you today, how I developed discipline, and how you can too. Let me be honest, I was undisciplined, distracted, and drowning in excuses. I kept telling myself I'd start tomorrow, I'd fix things next week, I'd get serious, eventually. But eventually never came. Until I learned one thing: discipline isn't a skill, it's a war. A war between comfort and commitment. And the day I chose to fight, everything changed. Discipline is the backbone of every success story. No matter your goal, fitness, career, studies, relationships, it all comes down to one question: can you do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it? The problem? Most people chase motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a choice. One fades. The other transforms you. My wake-up call. There was a point in my life where I was drowning in half-finished plans. I had vision boards, to-do lists, notebooks filled with goals. But when it came time to execute, I'd stall. I'd scroll. I'd distract myself. I wasn't lazy, I was undisciplined. I thought I needed to feel inspired to act. Spoiler, that feeling rarely came. One night I asked myself a brutal question: if I keep living like this, where will I be in 5 years? The answer scared me. That was the night I decided I was done waiting for the perfect mood. I started designing a system instead. The course shift. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So I built a system, a mental framework, and that framework turned into results. Step 1. Start with non-negotiables. I picked one thing I couldn't skip, no matter what. For me, it was waking up early. Not 5 a.m. just for the trend, but early enough to beat the noise. That habit became my anchor. Your non-negotiable could be 30 minutes of focused study, or a daily workout, or writing a page a day. But it must be sacred. You don't wait for permission. You just do it. Step 2. Make it small, make it daily. Discipline doesn't grow through intensity. It grows through consistency. I didn't start with 3-hour study sessions or 10K runs. I started with 15 minutes of absolute focus. But I did it every single day. No breaks. No negotiations. No excuses. Why? Because your brain needs proof you're serious. Every time you show up, you're casting a vote for your new identity. Step 3. Track yourself like a hawk. I created a habit tracker. One sheet. One checkmark per day. Sounds simple, right? But it rewired my brain. That tiny mark became my daily win. I could see my progress. It wasn't invisible anymore. And progress creates momentum. Step 4. Lean into discomfort. This one's hard, but powerful. I started doing things I hated: cold showers, early alarms, working when I felt tired. Not because I enjoyed the suffering, but because I realized something. Discomfort is where discipline is born. Every time you step into discomfort voluntarily, your mind gets stronger. It stops panicking. It starts obeying. And that's the ultimate freedom. Step 5. destroy decision fatigue. One of the biggest killers of discipline? Too many choices. What time should I study? Should I work out today? Should I write now or later? So I eliminated decisions. I designed my day the night before. Wake up at 6 o'clock. Study at 7 o'clock. Work out at 5 o'clock. That's it. No internal negotiation. No wasted energy. Just execution. The benefits I experienced. Within a few weeks, my entire mindset changed. I stopped needing motivation. I built a rhythm. I trusted myself again. I stopped feeling guilty for wasting time. I became clear-headed, confident, and consistent. Discipline made me dangerous, in the best way. How you can start today. Here's your roadmap. Pick one non-negotiable habit. Small but meaningful. Commit for 30 days. No excuses, no resets. Track it visually. Let your brain see the win. Add discomfort intentionally. Train your resistance. Plan your day. Don't wake up blind. And don't skip a day, not even when you're tired. Especially when you're tired. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being relentless. It's doing the hard thing when no one's watching. It's the quiet grind that builds the loud success. If you build discipline, you can build anything. So stop waiting for the mood. Start designing your method. Your future self? They're not waiting, they're watching. And they're begging you, don't quit this time.